Hey everyone, I'm Steph from Sitemate. Paper-based pre-starts often fail to capture the dynamic, site-specific nature of construction projects. Additionally, information from these pre-starts is often not retained by the crew, leading to decreased productivity and overlooked critical details, which negatively can impact project timelines, safety, and overall success. In this video, I'm going to show you how Dashpivot enhances pre-starts by making them more engaging and informative, improving the workforce productivity while reducing the time spent on them overall. In Dashpivot, you can create a pre-start entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. To find a suitable template, I'm going to run a search at the top. You can preview the format before adding it into your workspace, and remember that everything that you see here on the screen is fully customizable once it's been added into your account. You can easily create and conduct a pre-start in any team folder. Our standard template includes fields such as a default table to record today's activities, hazards, and controls, a range of yes/no questions, and a section to scan on the workers who have attended this pre-start using the Scan Sitemate ID feature. Once saved, the form will be shown in a timeline view sorted by the date that was input on the form, just like this. A register of all of the pre-starts are automatically generated and can be found in the register view at the top here. This allows you to filter, track, and compare form details as well as export them to a CSV or PDF. To ensure that important and unique information is captured and not duplicated on the forms, fields can be excluded from form cloning and also made required in the template editor. These options can be found in the field settings in the top left-hand corner of every field. Conditional logic can be applied to yes, no, NA questions, as well as multiple and drop-down lists to display more fields depending on the answer that gets selected, such as the weather field here. The logic states that if rain is selected, the user will then get the option to add in the appropriate amount of millimeters, but this is only applied if rain is selected. The information captured within Dashpivot can also be analyzed further using the analytics available at both the home folder and team folder level, such as tracking the number of pre-starts that have been created over a specific period of time. Pre-starts can be created and conducted using the Dashpivot mobile app. Forms are organized in a timeline view just like on the web access. You can continue to adjust existing forms or create a new one using the plus button in the bottom right-hand side. The Dashpivot app also includes a contactless sign-in process. Simply click one button to scan the workers with the free Sitemate ID onto the pre-start form. This will then populate a table with their name, company, signature, date, time, and location of where they were scanned. Workers scanned using this free Sitemate ID will also receive a read-only copy of that form on their device. Once completed, if you need to share a copy of this document with any external parties, you don't have to have a computer to export it. Instead, you can use the Send as PDF feature, which will allow you to add in any recipient's email address and send the form directly through the Dashpivot app. The Dashpivot mobile and tablet app works both online and offline and is available on iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as Excel, Power BI, Xero, etc., using our integration product Flowsite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your pre-start data from Dashpivot to your preferred data analytics or other tools. For example, some customers are using the integration to push their workforce sign-on data from the pre-starts on Dashpivot straight to Excel for advanced analytics, eliminating the manual data transfer step. Try Dashpivot for your pre-starts today using our sign-up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.